In this video, I'll explain sunrise and sunset automation, timing that adjusts itself. Fixed schedules fail because daylight keeps changing. With sunrise and sunset automation, your home follows real world time. Lights turn on exactly when it gets dark, curtains open with natural sunlight, and everything stays perfectly in sync throughout the year. Add offsets like 20 minutes before sunset to make sure your home is always ready before you need it. No updates, no adjustments. It just works every single day. Now, I'll show you how to create a new automation based on sunrise or sunset. First, open your home automation app. Tap on automations in the tab bar. Tap the plus icon to create a new automation. Select on sunrise or sunset. Choose whether you want the automation to run at sunrise or sunset. Set the offset. You can run it before or after, for example, 20 minutes before sunset. Enable location access so it triggers accurately based on your real-time location. Now select the action. You'll see multiple options. Switch action, dimmer or regulate action, remote action, curtain action, notification, alerts via WhatsApp or email, scene action. Select your preferred action, for example, scene. Tap OK, then tap Save Action and save. That's it. Your sunrise or sunset automation is created and will run automatically every day. Your home follows the sun automatically. Thank you